Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm doing a little something different. I don't know. We got a few cattles over here and I thought I'd bring you with. Gotta run water for them. Gotta run water for the cattles. As you can see, they're kind of thirsty. I don't know. Water tank. There's some water there. They want fresh stuff. Oh yeah, I don't know. There's one video I made. This is my Holstein heifer Queenie. If you didn't see that video, go back and watch it. Here's Queenie. A little update on her. Queenie's doing good. Queenie. How's it going, Queenie? I got a bell on her. But yeah, let's get to running this water. So, get the hose here. All I have here, there's a hydrant, a hose. This is a pipeline for milking system. That just goes right down to the tank. So we'll stick that in there. And then yeah, turn this on. And watch it come out. I'm gonna break some of this ice quick. Should get it out. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, running water. It's Thursday. Don't show the cattles a lot, but here they are. There's the bull. Here's one of the oldest red heifers. And here's Queenie, of course. Hey, Queenie. You're such a good girl. Yeah, Queenie's about a year old. So yeah, just running water here. But yeah, it's Thursday and it's about 30 degrees or so. It feels like 20, but we're supposed to get a big snowstorm here in Wisconsin today and tomorrow. We're talking possibly 5 to 9 inches. Weathermen are never right, so here's Mr. Bull. Never trust him. So, yeah. So there's Queenie, and there's 6 other red Angus here. This is the bull, the biggest bull, and that's the oldest heifer. And this is Queenie, and then that one over there, she is, I think one of the other, well, I think that's one of the other heifers right there. This one right here with the red on her head, or the white on her head, that's a heifer, and then those 2 back there, they're, the one's a steer and the other one's a bull. So yeah, a little different video here. I usually only run it, I don't know if you can see that line right there. I usually only run it to there. It was frozen, all that ice, it was frozen to about there at one point. Ran too much water. Queenie, you need some video time. Yeah, I don't show them a lot. Chickens are the main thing. But here they are. Cattles. Go up here quick. I don't know. I'm not very good at taking videos. What do you want? Huh? They don't seem very thirsty. I'll put this fence panel up on this gate because they'd stick their heads through the gate there to get water, but then sometimes they'd take the gate off the hinge there. So I put that up. Then they wanted to get through here when there's a bunch of them up, so I put this fence panel up. Otherwise, they just destroy everything. They're not as thirsty. Only give them grain. Only give them their corn on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'll give them some tomorrow. You gotta go around the other way. You gotta learn that. I've had that fence panel up for a while and I still haven't learned it. Not the smartest animals at times. We'll shut it off here. Be careful because it's icy. Yeah, I stopped giving them as much. I was giving them corn every day. But before we had ear corn that we ground up. And then we had some dried molasses put in it. But we ran out of that, so now we got cracked corn. We got cracked corn now with liquid molasses, and that's a lot sweeter, so don't want to give them as much of that. So, yeah, a little different video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment. I want to hear from you people. And subscribe for more if you enjoyed my content. I'll see you next video.